Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily change system vibration settings on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So as you guys can see, we have it right here. Let me quickly hold it up. Now here we need to scroll down to settings and go to vibration. So after we click the vibration, let's go to system vibration, and here we can basically enable swipe left, swipe right to go back, enter pin, and feature on and off. So basically whenever we enable it, then as you guys can see, we'll basically get a vibration. So I do not recommend using all of these, only like enter pin or feature on and off. So right now I'm getting a vibration. And that's basically it. So this is how you guys can easily customize it and change those settings. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.